Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of Perfect Heroine Wants to Possess Me, Chapter 94, Part 2. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Jishao and Wei Xingyu. Jishao, right now, she was thinking about the flat. Suddenly, it came to herself. The flat punishment came so suddenly. It seems that my idea is right. Well, right now, she was thinking to outsmart the flat so that she will not receive any punishments from the book. In other words, the flat of the supporting role cannot be changed, but the flat of the protagonist can be. Well, maybe, if she really can try, maybe it really works, especially those changes that are not beneficial to the protagonist. Well, it's a good idea, and that so can really work out, especially in a game. Like she's the one who's manipulating it, so she can dictate about the flow of the play. Now, Chisao, thinking about the flat, right now she thinks that she was in the right path to change and outsmart the flat. The main plot will be forcibly happening and cannot be completely changed. But the characters in the plot can be replaced. Well, maybe she was right. Since she know everything what will happen in the future, she knows who is the character involved in the plot. Changing the character maybe it won't contradict on the plot. So it's legally can be changed. But right now, it's trying to make it perfect. Like in the current plot, supposed to be happening right now. Facing you, Jin Nangpeng supposed to be together, but it suddenly never happened. Instead, the two of them, Jishao and Wei Xingyu, are being together, but suddenly there's a slight changes on the plot. I replaced Jin Nanfeng and accepted Wei Xingyu's liking. Well, this is the slight movement. I'm supposed to be a lover of Jin Nanfeng, but she really changed the plot. By accepting Wei Xingyu's liking, she's the one with Wei Xingyu's right now. Well, since Wei Xingyu fall asleep, right now she's carefully putting her down on the bed. Xiao is kissing Wei Xingyu on the forehead, and I can do too to replace Shin Nanfeng and guard Wei Xingyu. She can protect her thoroughly. Now it seems that her plan to change the plot is promising. Now she has a perfect reason to protect Wei Xingyu from anyone, especially for Jin Nanfeng. She is the protagonist of this novel, the heroine. Well, until the end, she really needs to protect Wei Xingyu, especially to her father in the future. Her father's want to suppress Wei Xingyu also froze the assets of the Wei family, especially Qi Shengyun. It was really trouble for Wei Xingyu in the future. Well, it was Wei Xingyu's birthday party. Ji Shao, she really dressed well today. Why it's still not good? Well, right now, she's really waiting for Wei Xingyu's to calm down so the two of them can celebrate her birthday. Well, she was right. Right now, Wei Xingyu is going down from upstairs. Looking at her, she is wearing a pink shoes right now. Looking at it, maybe she was really wearing a ball gown. Xiao, she noticed Wei Xingyu, and she can stop herself and restrain herself from looking at her. Well, did she really fond of her? It was like seeing an angel that coming down from heaven. She was continuous staring at her from head to toe. Seeing you suddenly approaching her. Li Shao, do you think this is okay? Well, we can blame her. Facing you is really good, especially the dress. It was really look good at her. That's why right now, Ji Shao, she can help herself, but just to pause, adore the beautiful sight of Wei Xingyu. Wow, you're really beautiful. Jishao said to Wei Xingyu. Right now, Wei Xingyu. Jishao said to her, let's go and don't be late for today. especially it's her birthday. It's time to celebrate her birthday party. The two of them are really looking good each other, especially for Jishao and the Chinese dress that she is wearing. Right now, Wei Xingyu suddenly becomes sad. After today, I will move out to Ji's house and go back to Wei's family house to live. Well, it really saddened her. The two of them are getting separated. Right now, Wei Xingyu, she can really help herself, but just to be forced, looking around at Shishao. Wei Xingyu said, well, she's trying to say something to her, but she don't know how to speak about it. Now, she become reluctant. Then, take a look at it now. Shishao said to her, well, it's time to celebrate the birthday party. Since it was early, so the birthday party becomes successful. I really wish Wei Xingyu good health and fortune. Shishao said to her, let Aunt Fu help us to take a picture. Oh, right now, trying to make souvenirs. The two of them are celebrating her birthday. Aunt Fu, she looks really graceful, said to them, don't worry, I am professional in this. Well, Aunt Fu seems to be satisfied, also happy with the relationship of the two of them. The two ladies are a little closer. Aunt Fu requested to be closer to each other so she can take a good picture of them. Well, looking at these two ladies, Aunt Fu, she was really happy seeing these two girls closer to each other. This way, paid attention to her expression and smiled more. Well, Wei Xingyu has been advised to be more act like natural and smile at the camera. Well, Jishao, looking at it, Wei Xingyu said to her, hey, Jishao, you're the one. Don't talk and look at the camera. Jishao said to Wei Xingyu, oh, these two girls, they are really perfect match to each other. Especially Jishao, really gorgeous on that dress. For Wei Xingyu, she looks really pretty. As princess. Fu, very good. Just keep it like this. Then she clicked the camera. Two of them still wearing the bracelet, specially created for them. Well, it's like two bracelets are like a wedding ring for them. From childhood to being adulthood. Still, this bracelet, it's like a promise of the two of them to each other. Getting closer to each other, especially on special days like this. Jishao and Wei Xingyu, it seems to be happy, and an endless happiness can be seen on the smile of them. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!